I don't know if we're ready, but we're gonna give it a shot. Thank you. Hi.
Hi.
Building a chicken coop today.
It's a beautiful thing. Have you ever installed a corrugated roofing before?
No, I have not. I will say this has been a daunting task because I don't know how to do stuff. But we're getting it done, I suppose.
Now you do know how to do stuff, so there you go.
I'm working on it.
You're gonna have a hard time reaching that
Should
far.
I do this one next or that one?
This is how chickens like it, just like that.
May not be able to get the middle ones because I
Come around this side.
can't reach them.
You're about ready to be able to do them from the top. I once built a box on top of myself and couldn't get out.
Well, don't do that.
Say more?
Is that a true story?
Isn't using an impact driver an empowering experience?
It's interesting.
A little bit scary.
A little bit scary.
The thing is here.
This trailer had these funny shutters. They were just corrugated metal. What we did was we took them off because we're tearing down that trailer, and we found that we had enough corrugated metal to build the top of the chicken coop, and the opposite side is purple. Isn't that cool? And then with these edges, we're gonna go along here. Finish them off.
Are you videoing us? Did you turn it on?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what are we doing today?
We are building a
A goat coop. We're building a shelter because we're hoping to get some goats this week, huh? Yep. We need to build them a shelter, and we need to put some fence around it so they can't get out, huh? Yep.
Then are we gonna put some wheels on it so we can move it?
I don't think this one's gonna have wheels on it. It's pretty big.
How many screws did you put in again?
I put in 4 screws and several nails. Just because you took out one of the boards I put in doesn't lessen the effort that I put into it.
You put a lot of effort in. You did well. We just redesigned. It wasn't a mistake, we just redesigned.
So Megan got in touch with a lady who has some chickens already laying hens. So we're gonna go pick them up on our way back. We're gonna go grocery shopping in Coeur d'Alene today, and on our way back we'll pick up the chickens. So we're preparing some totes with some straw in them. The guys are gonna be finishing the chicken coop and the goat pen today because tomorrow we're getting a goat. A lot of animals. A lot of animals coming. We're ready. Well, I don't know if we're ready, but we're gonna give it a shot.
Yeah.
It's kind of daunting because I'm not sure we're ready. This is going faster than we thought, but we just feel like we want to get some food production on the farm. It feels like we're ready for our own food production. So having a few laying hens, having a goat in milk, it's gonna be really awesome, but it's gonna be a lot to learn really quick.
Mom, is that enough in there or not?
We got some rock delivered today to finish out this driveway. For whatever reason, the driveway has rock at the bottom, rock at the top, and just mud in between. It's kind of a mess, and we slip and slide a lot when we're coming and going. But now we have to put that aside. The race is on. The ladies went to town to get some hens. They found a good price on some laying hens, and we've got to turn this into a appropriate and predator-safe container for some hens tonight. I think they said they're getting 6. That should be enough space, but there's not any wire on it to keep the animals out. So they're gonna be back in about 2 hours, and we got to get this thing ready to go. So let's do it. It's raining. It's raining a lot, more than it has rained since we got here, easily. The ladies are in town, and they're not going to be able to get back up the driveway when they get back because it's getting pretty muddy already. But we have this pile of road base that we bought specifically for this, and so we're going about the process of making at least 2 treads worth on the driveway so that they can get in when they get here. I hope it's going to work. I don't know, we'll see. That went fast. That was maybe 45 minutes for hard-working guys, and look at this road. We got enough rain in the last hour that the ladies are worried about coming up the road in the 2-wheel drive van. I'm worried too. And so I'm going down the hill in the 4-wheel drive truck just to make sure they get up okay, because there's one spot that's really slippery, and we have no cell phone service, so if they got stuck or couldn't pass that spot, they would have no way of telling me that. So I'm going to drive down as far as our mailbox and just hope they can get up. I'll probably switch vehicles. Not sure how it's going to look when I get down there. Ooh, it's a mess here. It was really muddy, but we made it up the hill. This is what the van looks like. It was fine. It wasn't too bad. We didn't get stuck or anything. Which is good. It's kind of an emotional win because we've been really afraid of that road. But that was okay. Did you do okay in the truck? Did you slip out or anything?
Yeah, a little bit, especially in the rutted area. I didn't think you were going to get up the rutted area.
Yeah, it wasn't as bad as I thought down below, and it was much worse up the top.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get those chickens in there.
If we close the door most of the way, they should be okay. Now, if we close it most of the way,
Just keep your legs in there.
armed person,
They can hop.
and you could even tilt it backwards a little bit. But we have to make sure we don't come out. Use this against the edge.
He did not like this.
Super scared, Gab.
Hey, sweetie.
Out of here.
The other lid if you want, and I'll put it up here to help keep them down. The teeny tiniest one we're gonna call Cheeky Nuggy.
Okay, when they all get in that corner, let Josiah back out.
Okay. All right, I'll just hang out with the chick.
Cheeky nuggies?
Sorry.
Okay.
You gonna just hang out with the cheeky nuggies? Hello, cheeky nuggies.
Those are awesome.
That's it.
Amazing. I love you people.
We officially have
We have
chickens.
chickens!
Let's eat them.
No, eggs!
Oh.
Eggs!
I want them. They're adorable.
Eventually eating them, but eggs.
Are they all hens?
They're all hens.
All hens.
There are 2 barred rock, which are really pretty, and the other 4 are leghorns. So,
That's the one in the corner.
Did we ever nail down those little roosts?
yes, the roosts are nailed down, but I think we need a couple more. So I don't know. We should have put a couple more in. I should have mentioned it, but it's okay.
We can take a board if we need to. One of those 2x2s.
Let's take it straight in.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering.
That's a good idea. Hey. First day.
We have food production on our farm.
We've made our first egg. Well, I didn't help.
No, I didn't help either. So excited.
Does it look good?
It looks great. Looks like an egg.
Would-
I went in there and they all looked at me. They just stood real still. And then I reached in to get the egg.
And I took it out and I closed the door and they all start going cluck, 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 cluck. Like, I don't know. Give me back my egg? I'm not sure, but
You were gonna have a omelet split 9 ways?
yeah. I may just add it in with the other eggs I have.
No, I think we should fry it separately and everybody eat it. I think ceremonial egg splitting.
Ceremonial egg splitting. Okay, I'll get right on that.
What's on the TV this morning?
Chickens.
Who's watching
the Chicken Channel. All chickens
Show
all the
about
time.
chickens.
Are they rotten?
They're not quite rotten, but they're kind of wrinkly and gospely stuff.
Hey girls,
You can eat some and whatever.
good morning. I'd like to personally thank whichever of you laid that egg this morning. I'm sure it'll be fabulous. And this is it.
And
Have you eaten any yet?
so
Yes.
yes, I tasted a little bit.
Tastes like eggs?
Tastes like eggs.
All right, pass it around.
All right, everyone have a little bit.
Boot.
Can I have some?
Get those boot on.
Pretty much like an egg.
First egg. Rachel, did you eat some of the first egg yet? Which chicken do you think laid that egg?
Chicky Nuggy laid it.
Ceremonial, whatever we called it.
Or maybe.
It's egg.
Josiah.
Looks like an egg, doesn't it?
Tastes like an egg. Looks like an egg.
Hold the bowl for me.
I
Must
think
be
it
an
might
egg.
be an egg.
All right. Excellent. That was your line. Excellent.
Stole
Excellent.
it.
Uh-oh. We almost wasted our ceremonial first egg.
Like
That was me eating left-handed because the camera's in the right hand. That's movie magic right there.
We got all of the chickens out.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Because he wanted
They wanted
dry
to be
grass.
on the other side.
No, why did the chicken cross the road?
Why?
Because he has been in the chicken coop all day and he wants to go eat grass. It's not supposed to be a joke. I know, but he wants to cross the road.